In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, and let me show you how to change navigation bar on this device. So as you can see, currently we are set up with button navigation bar, where these three horizontal lines are for recent items. You can close them all. And this square icon is for going back to home screen. So let me open, for example, store, and if you will click here, you will be redirected to your home screen, and then this one is for going back. If you would like to change it, just open the settings, then find and select display, scroll down to the very bottom of this list, and here you will notice navigation bar. Smoothly open it, and you can either change the button order, so you can pick between those two options, so it's up to you. Also, you can change the button position right here, so it can be right here, then left obviously as well, and also you can locate it at the center of your display. So this is it. However, also you can change this button navigation bar to gestures. To do it, just click here, and from now on you'll be able to use gestures only. So just slide up to go back to your home screen, then slide right or left, it actually doesn't matter, to go back. And if you'd like to open recent items, you need to scroll up and hold it for a while to see all recently used apps. And this is it. This is how you can pick the proper navigation bar, the proper for you, obviously. And this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.